All right, just the man I've been looking for.
Need a quick autograph from you there, sir.
All right.
There you go. All right, thanks a lot, man.
Thank you, sir. You have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Could this be what I think it is, peoples? All right, party people in the place to be. We're back at it. Got a nice high quality Christmas surprise already. A while ago, I sent my drone, my DJI drone, back to my eBay seller because I had a gimbal error on the Mavic 4 Pro. And they supposedly fixed it. And instead of fixing mine, it looked like they sent me a whole brand spanking new one, people. So now we're gonna unbox it one more again. It's a beautiful day, people. You get to unbox it twice. Get on up out there. Bam. Out of there. Come on. We done been here and done this before. We know what's up. Bam. Look at this nice high quality, people. Here we go. Nice high quality sticker with literature. Bam. Propellers. These boys done sent me some more batteries, people. You understand what I'm saying? Some more batteries. Now, like I said, I sent my DJI Mavic 4 Pro off because they had a gimbal error, so I just sent the drone. And so they sent me some batteries. I already had some batteries, so now your boy got 6 batteries. Come on, man. Come on, DJI. And they trying to ban y'all. Shout out for With Us. That's the store, the eBay store, where I bought this from. So like I said, people, your boy had bought it, had a gimbal error, didn't know how to fix it. Contacted the seller. The seller said send it back, and we'll send it back to DJI because I know the US you can't get a DJI Refresh. So they sent it back to DJI, and DJI sent it back to them, and they sent this back to me. Another remote. We know what it looked like. We know what it looked like. We're gonna have an extra remote. We're gonna throw it on over here because, like I said before, your boy got this big boy action. I'm not going back to that other RC2. I mean, it's a nice high quality remote. But it ain't this bad, boy. Look at that. Let's move this bag on up out the way. Oh, this is a glorious day because I had this, had a flyway, and I had just ran out of the DJI Refresh. But now I got my big boy back. Let's take the muzzle off. So because I already got some batteries that should be charged, we just gonna pop it on in there so we can get that bam. There it is, y'all. Y'all know what it is. There it is. Still sent me the wrong thing. This the US. I can't use this. Get that on about it now. The unboxing. So this is the update on the gimbal error that I put back a month ago. So the nice people at With Us eBay store understand I had a problem with the gimbal error. Sent it back to them. They sent it back to DJI. DJI replaced the drone. Sent it back to them. They sent it back to me. And here we are. For those of y'all who say you don't have DJI Refresh in the US, you're screwed. Well, it all depends on which store you buy it from. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this. It's your boy. Glad to have his Mavic 4 Pro back. The Drone Dreamer, your Uncle Rico. To the next episode, people. Peace.